Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officer Study 24/7. So first of all, let me know how are you all, and also let me know is audio video both are okay. Are we good to go? So in today's session, we are going to continue our series, that is Achiever series, and in Achiever series, we have started your module C of IEIFS, and also the C module have been started in the Achiever series of your PPB. So if you want to join these session, first of all, you have to subscribe the channel, and second, you have to join the session in the morning at 6 for PPB and in the evening at 7 p.m. for your IEIFS. Okay, so let's start session, and I guess earlier session you have already seen. If you haven't seen yet, then do check the playlist on Officer Study 24/7 YouTube channel. You will find the playlist, recording is available. Do make sure you check all the recordings, because it is the high time that we have to be very consistent and we have to be very serious about our preparation. A lot of syllabus is there, a lot of concepts are there, and it will be good, like first if we cover the concepts so that we will have more time to revision as well, है ना? So this is our class number 4 of module C. As you know, particular module classes we are conducting. So this is your module C class number 4, in which we are going to talk about the unit number 23. So the class is your fourth class of module C, in which we are discussing unit number 23, because module C start from the unit number 20. So 20, 21, 22, and today we are going to discuss the 23rd unit of your module C. Sorry, overall it is module C, overall it is unit number 23. So this unit talks about the development financial institution. Now what actually the development financial institution is? So development financial institutions are those institutions which have been created by Reserve Bank of India. The reason behind introducing this institution was because at the time commercial banks was not capable of providing funding for the infrastructure projects. So what happened for the infrastructure project, for the development of a particular sector, you need a large scale capital, as well as you need a long-term capital, which commercial bank was not capable at that time was providing this capital. So the need has been seen, like we need long-term capital, we need large scale capital, then only we will be able to develop our infrastructure related to agriculture, rural area, housing sector, MSME, etc. And then the need of these institutions have been seen, and RBI initiated the establishment of these type of institution, that is development financial institution. So they work for the development of a particular sector. And when we talk about development financial institution, the example of DFIs are NABARD, SIDBI, Exim Bank, IFCI, NAFID, NHB. These are the development financial institution in our country. The first development financial institution is started, not started, actually we can say established after independence in the year 1948. And that was IFCI, Indian Financial Corporation of India. IFCI was the first development financial institution, and if I talk about the latest development financial institution, that is your NAFID, National Bank for Financing Infrastructure Development. It was established in the year 2021. So the first and last, you have to remember the name. Apart from that, if I talk about development financial institution, all the development financial institutions, they are working for a specific purpose. Like if I talk about NABARD, we have NABARD, we have SIDBI, we have Exim Bank, we have NHB, we have IFCI, we have NAFID. So they all are working for a particular sector development. So you can see NABARD works for agriculture and rural development, SIDBI work for small industries, Exim Bank work for export import, NHB work for housing, IFCI work for industries, NAFID works for, one second, I forgot to add F. It is NAFID. Okay, it works for what? It is working for the infrastructure development. Okay, so you can see every development financial institution is trying to develop the particular sector of the economy, that is NABARD, SIDBI, Exim, NHB, and etc. And to make it possible that these sectors have proper capital, proper funding for the long-term period, and the large-scale capital will be available, all these are taken care by these development financial institutions. which obviously works under the RBI. All the financial institutions in the country works under the RBI, whether it is bank, whether it is non-banking financial institution, or you can say the DFIs. Okay, so this is what the basic of the topic is. Now let's move forward and discuss more about this topic in form of MCQ. Okay, and if you want to join these sessions on the regular basis, what you have to do, simply do make sure you check the session at 7 p.m. and at 6 a.m. Apart from this, I also want to add one important information for all of you. That important information is this: I have started the resolution batch of yours. The resolution batch started from 10th of January actually. AFM subject have been started in this. Now, the second, if I talk about, from 13th of January, we have started PPB as well. So the PPB first orientation class happened till now only. Okay, tomorrow it means from 16th of January, I am starting module A. Now, why I am starting from module A? Because I keep saying to all of you, in PPB, in the PPB subject, you have major part of A and B module. But if come to the IE/IFS, C and D have a major part. So accordingly, we start our batches. In IE/IFS, we will start from C and D, and in the PPB, we start from A and B. So this is what we have here. So resolution batch, 10th January, AFM we are talking about, 13th January, PPB started. Tomorrow we are going to have the first conceptual class because it was just a orientation class. Okay, so the first class is starting from tomorrow. So if you haven't joined the batch, or if you want to check the demo session, you can check this class. It will be available free of cost on Officers at a 24/7 YouTube channel as well from 8 to 9 p.m. Okay, so you can check, and if you want to enroll, then today we have a discount of 80%. 80% discount is there, that will end tonight at 12 a.m. Okay, so this is the maximum discount. From tomorrow onwards, you will find this discount will be 78%. So right now, 80% discount is there on the resolution batch. If you want to enroll, you can enroll by using the code Y496. And do remember, tomorrow we have a first class that will be banker customer relationship class of your PPB. Okay, so this is the information for all of you. Now let's move forward to the first question and be active in the session. Keep answering the question, and if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section always. Okay, first, which was the first development financial institution that was set up in India? I have just told you the answer of this question. First and latest, I have given you the name of both. So IDBI, SIDBI, ICICI and IFCI. IDBI used to be development financial institution, now it is a commercial bank. ICICI Bank used to be development financial institution, it converted itself in universal banking. And ICICI Bank was the first bank which introduced the universal banking. Okay, so the right answer is obviously IFCI. With the capital of 10 crore, we have started the IFCI. In which year? In 1948, after independence, and that's the first development financial institution we have. One more thing, I also keep saying this, that you do not only have to focus on the question and option, also focus on the explanation I am giving. So maybe chances they will not ask the name of the first development financial institution. The question can be asking, what was the capital when IFCI was established? Or they can ask when the first development financial institution was established, that was IFCI. So 1948. So make sure, because you know conceptual study is very important, every detail is very important. So whatever explanation I am giving, do listen that very carefully. So right answer is D. Okay. Next question we have, which of the following development financial institution had a role of counseling NRIs for their investments in India? Which development financial institution do the counseling of NRI? NRI are non-resident Indians, those Indians who are living abroad for more than 182 days in a financial year. These are the persons who are known as the NRI. And which of the following institution is giving them the consultancy, advisory, or I can say counseling? ISCI, IDBI, ICICI, or Exim Bank? So right answer here is actually ICICI Bank. So ICICI Bank is the bank which started doing this role. It introduced the universal banking. Now what is universal banking? A question for all of you is that what is actually universal bank? Universal bank is simply when a particular bank is providing all kinds of activities under a single roof. The deposit, withdrawal, lending, check clearance, demand draft, locker facility. Apart from that, mutual fund, insurance, pension, government securities benefits, government schemes benefit, everything is available for you under a branch, under a single roof. That's the universal banking. Now the question for you is this: how much minimum capital is required to open universal bank? We have discussed this in the earlier classes. So this is the question for you. You have to answer in the comment section after the session ends. Okay. And if you are watching recording, do let me know in the comment section. So right answer is ICICI. So ICICI first time started universal banking in the country. So it started giving counseling to the NRIs as well. Okay. So right answer will be your C. Next question. Next we have, how much was the initial capital of IFCI? I have just told you, it is 10 crore. The initial capital of IFCI is 10 crore. Do you remember that? This can be asked. Right answer is A. Next. With the onset of liberalization, what structure was adopted by the development financial institution? So you know, in 1991, when we have introduced the LPG policy, the liberalization have been done. When liberalization happened, a lot of policies, rules, regulations, restrictions have been removed from all the financial system, from all the sectors of the economy that have been done. So this also happened in the banking system. So the development financial system have adopted a new way of providing services. Which of the following is that? First is saying commercial bank, second is saying universal bank, third is saying mortgage bank, fourth is saying collateralized bank. So which of the following is true? So now you can simply use the elimination method. Always use the elimination method. Commercial banks were working from 1770. The first bank we got, Bank of Hindustan. So obviously it's not true. Now collateralized bank, mortgage bank, they actually are kind of not a type of banks. They are not a type of banks in the country. So right answer, we have a universal banks. NBFCs are also there. They are mortgage and collateralized, but not a type of bank. These two banks are. So the right answer is universal banks. So, and the first bank, the first development financial institution which adopted this or which started this universal banking was ICICI. I have told you already. Next question. Which of the following would come under the category of an investing institution? So you have to answer like out of these four, which of the following is a part of your investing institution? LIC, ICICI, Exim Bank or NABARD? Which of the following is the investing institution? A, B, C or D? Okay. So the right answer is LIC and UTI, Unit Trust of India. They both are counted as a investing institution. Okay, so development financial institution are actually divided into 4 categories. Out of those 4 categories, the one category is investing institution. And in investing institution, we only have LIC and UTI. Okay, do remember that. So right answer will be your A, that is LIC. Okay, next question. Next, it is talking about which of the following objectives are true of development banks. Development banks are what? Simply a development financial institution like NABARD, SIDBI. They are also known as development bank. You can call them non-commercial bank. You can call them all India financial institution. All are correct names for your development banks. Okay. First, to serve as an agent of development in various sectors like industry, agriculture, international trade. Second, to accelerate the growth of economy. Third, to allocate resources to high priority area. Fourth, to foster public-private partnership. Fifth, to develop entrepreneurial skills. Sixth, to promote the development of the rural areas. So, which of the following objective are true of development banks? A, B, C or D? Let me know. A, B, C or D? And the right answer is all of the above. All of these are the objective of development financial. They actually promote development of rural area. They promote the entrepreneurial skills. They foster the public-private partnership. Public-private partnership means where the government and private sector, they both are working together. They both finance the project. like the infrastructure projects. Government and private sector both are working together. Now to accelerate the growth of economy, they also serve as an agent for the development of different sectors like industries there. SIDBI and IFCI is working for this. For agriculture, NABARD is working. International trade, your ICICI is working right now. So these are what? Right answer is all of the above. All are the objectives of your development banks. Okay, next question. In 1976, the soft loan scheme introduced to provide financial assistance to product units in selected industries like cement, cotton, textile, jute, sugar, certain engineering industries for modernization. So this scheme was launched by which of the development financial institution? IFCI, SIDBI, IDB are all together. Let me know. So soft loan scheme have been introduced for the different sectors or the industries, I can say. For what purpose? For modernization of these industries. So which bank or which financial institution have launched this scheme? Achha, apart from that, as it says soft loan scheme, we also have soft loan window. When it comes to the soft loan window, the soft loan window is IDA, International Development Association of World Bank. So World Bank have 5 institutions. This we have discussed in module A classes already. Okay. So do remember, if you talk about soft loan window, IDA is a soft loan window and the soft loan scheme was introduced by IDBI. Industrial Development Bank of India. It used to be the development financial institution when it was established in 1964. Then it converted in commercial bank in 2005. It was the public sector bank then. In 2019, it is still a commercial bank, but now it became a private sector bank because LIC has purchased 51% shares of IDBI in 2019. Okay, so this is how the administration, or I can say the ownership of IDBI have been changed. So right answer here is C option, that is IDBI, Industrial Development Bank of India. In 1976, it introduced the soft loan scheme. Now, the functions of SIDBI can be classified as under. So SIDBI is what? Small Industries Development Bank of India. It focuses on the development of the small industries like MSME. It promotes the MSME. It provides direct and indirect finance to the MSME sector. It refinances loans that are extended by the primary lending institution to the MSME units. It discount and rediscount the bills. It also helps in expanding marketing channel for the product of MSME sector, both in the domestic as well as international market. Then it offers services like factoring, leasing to the industrial concern in the MSME sector. So now you have to answer which of the following is the function of SIDBI. Only 2 and 3, only 4, only 5, all of the above. So SIDBI actually works for the MSME, na? It discount and rediscount the bills for the MSME. It also helps in expanding the marketing channel for the products of MSME sector. It offers the services like factoring, leasing, obviously, to the MSME sector. It do provide the direct and indirect finance to the MSME sector. So it means the right answer will be all of the above. All of these services are provided by SIDBI for the micro, small, medium enterprises. Clear? So right answer here is D, all of the above. Right answer we have is D, all of the above. Next question. Which of the following is correct about financing opportunities offered by SIDBI? So which of the following financing opportunities is offered by SIDBI? The direct finance, indirect finance, microfinance, or all of the above? So microfinance, I guess you all know. Direct finance means it is directly providing to the public. Indirect, obviously, some intermediate will be there. Okay, and there are certain types of funding way that SIDBI use. And microfinance, you know, that is provided to the low income group or poor families, poor household. That's your microfinance. And all these services are provided by SIDBI. So your right answer will be all of the above. All are the financing opportunities offered by the SIDBI. Clear? Next. Which of the following is our products and services offered by Exim Bank? So Exim Bank is Export-Import Bank of India. Exim Banks actually works for the for promoting the foreign trade in the country. So it provides various financial products and services to promote the foreign trade, which includes buyer's credit, line of credit, corporate banking, overseas investment finance, export advisory services, or all of the above. So which of the following is the products and services offered by Exim Bank to make the foreign trade grow in the country? A, B, C, or D? Which of the following is correct? And the right answer is all of the above. Export advisories, it is a service of Exim Bank. The first and second is the products that it offers. Okay, when it comes to the services, the third statement is services. First two are the products of the Exim Bank. Right answer will be all of the above. Clear? Okay. So this was the detailed discussion of your development financial institution. One more important point I want to add here related to NAFID. So NAFID is what? National Bank for Financing of Infrastructure Development. It's the latest development financial institution established in 2021. The authorized capital of this bank was 1 lakh crore, and this question have been asked in May 2023. And NAFID related question was there in the May 2023 as well as in the October 2023. And definitely one question will be seen in the May 2024 also. So NAFID we have to discuss in detail, or I guess everything have to be discussed in the detail. But yes, one question from NAFID is fixed. Okay. Now let me know how many answers you have given correct. Those who are watching recording, do let me know in the comment section now how many answers you are giving correct. Now, this is the information. This is the batch I was talking about, resolution batch. AFM already started, PPB I started with the orientation class. Tomorrow at 8 to 9 p.m. we will be having the banker customer relationship. First class or first unit of your module A we are going to discuss. Okay. And to enroll in the batch, what is the offer right now? 80% discount plus double validity on the Mahapack. 80% discount on the resolution. And to avail this code, you can use a code Y496. One more important information is there. And that important information is this, that this will be till tonight only. After that, this offer will end. Okay, because our festivals are on end. Today is Makar Sankranti. Happy Makar Sankranti to all of you. So, this is the offer that's going to end tonight only. Now, how to enroll? First of all, you have to download the Adda 24/7 application. This is the batch for the persons who is looking for bilingual classes. Hana, if you know someone, do let them know. Shapat batch is for the bilingual. Now, this is how you have to enroll. First, download the Adda 24/7 application. Then go to the home page of the application. On the home page, you have to select the exam category. So this is the home page of your application. This home page you will find on your application. When you scroll down, you will find the exam category is also on the same page. Let's say this is the JAIIB CIB. Click here. When you find JAIIB May 2024, click on the view all. So you can see this is the Mahapack. This is Shapat batch for bilingual. This is resolution batch for English medium. Okay. Okay. So how to enroll? The process to enroll is same for all the batches. If you want individual subject batch, that is also available. You can scroll down for that. So click on here. Let's say you want to enroll in Mahapack. Click on the Mahapack. Do check the offerings of the product. 1 second. Do check the offerings of the product. Add validity of a product. Then click on the buy now. This double validity will be available till tonight only. Then if you use this code, you will get only 77% discount. So for maximum discount, the code you have to use is 1 second. The code that you have to use is Y496. Okay, it's not working properly. So I will write here, when you apply this code Y496, you will get here 79% discount on this. For 1% additional discount, you have to purchase the same product from our 24/7 application. 1 year validity, 80% discount, okay, is available by using this code on the Mahapack. If you want to go with the only resolution batch, that is also available. So what you have to do, let's say this is the resolution batch. Do check the offering. If you want a study plan, scroll down, you will find the study plan. As you know, 2 subjects have been started. This is AFM and this is your PPB. So you can see PPB, I started orientation class on 13th. Tomorrow we will have a first banker customer relationship class. This is AFM. Niharika ma'am started AFM on 10th of January. Okay, so these are the two batches, two subjects that have been started. The process will be same. Click on the buy now option. Use a code here that will be Y496. Okay, code you have to use is Y496. You will get 80% discount here. Now, apart from that, if you want to join the regular YouTube sessions, for that you have to subscribe the channel Officer Survey 24/7. Okay, so subscribe the channel Officer Survey 24/7 and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you properly. Okay, and this is the information for all of you. Now, if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Okay, all the doubts I will be checking and will answer you there. Okay, that's all for today. Let's end the session here, and do not forget to share the session with your friends, or I can see the bankers who are working with you, so that more and more people can join this session. So thank you everyone. Have a great day.